You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today I'm going to check out the HexBug Fire Ant. But before I begin, I do need to say thanks to HexBug for sending this to me to check out on video. I have the purple one, and of course it comes with a little controller inside. I can't wait to see this thing scamper around. Let's see. Okay, couple warnings. There we go. Fire Ant remote controlled. Control 2 at a time. I just have the one. And then on the bottom, it shows you where to put the 3 batteries for this one and the 2 for the controller. But these always come with batteries. And there's the little on-off light. Fire Ant Micro Robotic. It's a robotic creature. A robotic creature. Now I've cut the tape so that I can get in here a little quicker than normal. And then let's see, what's the next step? Ooh, that opens, okay. Oh, there's tape right there. I didn't see that initially. Let's do that. All right, and there's more. Is there more? Oh, one more piece. Okay, there's my little instruction sheet. There is a little band that's holding my robotic pet. Or a creature, whatever you so call. I'm going to call it a pet. I like pet better. Oh, you got to get it around those little cool looking little feet on him. Look at that. That's pretty neat. And then this little tape. Okay, there's a little pull tab in the back of this. I'm not sure if there's one on the ant. Let's see. There is. Okay, so there's the batteries that we saw. That's out. The switch. Oh, there it is. That's the switch. That looked like a switch, but that is right there. Now it is fired up. Here's the instructions for anybody that likes to read all that. There's quite a bit there. And then let me get the batteries out of this. Okay. And usually you're just ready to go. Let's put it on 1. I think that'd be better. Yeah, see that? Okay. So both up, he goes forward. Both back or down, he goes reverse. And then if you want him to spin, you would just do the opposite like that. And he lights up on the top when you do it. Okay, let's see if I can drive around. You got to remember, to go forward or reverse, you got to press them both the same direction. Whee! Ooh, he likes the backdrop. Pretty cool. You know what? I want to do a little camera angle change here, so I can get more surface area to show you, and then I'm going to come back and play with him a little bit more. Okay, so let's just put him on his back. That's up, back, together same direction, back the same direction, opposite directions. Ooh, mind-boggling. All right, let me give us a little more playing area. All right, I am back. I was trying to come up with a way just to practice a little, see if I can get better at like a figure 8. So I chose these batteries here. Woo! I guess the tricky thing is right is left and left is right. Does that make sense? Unless you use the bottom ones. Hold on. Left. Oh no, I had them both pressed there. It seems like sometimes even though you have them both pressed, it doesn't always go in a direction. Reverse does help. Ooh, come on, buddy. There you go. Is it possible to get better? I think it is. I think you have to, like, up is kind of goes that way, and then this goes this way, so it's reversed. And I'm on the right controller, and he's going left. So on the left controller, he's going right. Now on the left controller, if I go down, it's reversing backwards. So you really have to think when you're playing with this one. So left would be right. Right would be left. Whee. Okay. I think it's possible. Is it possible for me? I don't know. That I don't know. Probably with some practice. Whee! 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 It does deserve at least one close-up. I'll do it later, but I'll get a close-up of it just spinning in a circle like that. Now I'm just pressing one, so you don't need to press both to get them to... Ooh, did you see that? Okay, here, watch this. Okay, I'm just pressing one up. That's the speed. Now I'm pressing the other one down. It goes even faster. Alright, this will be a good time to give you a nice close-up of this spinning action. That is pretty cool. Alright, enough of that. Let me come back then and wrap it up. Alright, one more quick test here. This would be considered like a Berber carpet. Now, he does not work as well on a shag. Okay, so that's him spinning. I got them both. So you're not going to get a good of a spin. It's a little choppy, but he will run on carpets. And it looks like he can go over just a little lip there. See that? Not as good, though. It works, but not as good. Oh, he got stuck. That's another thing. When you're running him on carpet, you're going to likely get more stuck in his little gears and his feet, if you would call those feet. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun showing it to you. I have more HexBug stuff on the way. And thanks again to them for sending this to me. See how much better that works on a flat surface. Look at that description. I have a whole HexBug playlist, so if you can, check it out. How did you like my fire ant? Maybe I'll do it just a little bit more camera angle change and just you can watch him play around. Later! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.